Ever wondered who pays for mold remediation? It's not just a matter of aesthetics. Mold can pose serious health risks, from allergies and irritation to more severe respiratory issues. Mold remediation is the process of removing and cleaning up mold, particularly toxic mold, from an indoor environment. It's an essential service for maintaining a healthy living space. But when it comes to footing the bill, responsibility can be a gray area. It's not always clear-cut and can depend on a variety of scenarios. For example, the cause of the mold, the location, and even the terms of any contracts or insurance policies can all play a part in determining who's financially responsible. So it's not a simple one-size-fits-all answer. Each situation requires a close examination of the factors involved. So, who foots the bill when mold strikes? Let's unfold the mystery. Firstly, the homeowner. Yes, you heard that right. In most instances, homeowners bear the brunt of mold remediation costs. If mold arises from neglect, lax maintenance, or a preventable water leak, it's usually your responsibility. So, yes, as a homeowner, you might need to reach into your pocket. But what about insurance companies? Well, sometimes they may foot the bill for mold remediation if it's caused by a peril covered in your policy. But remember, not all policies include this. So, always read the fine print. Insurance might save the day, but only if you're covered. Renting? Then your landlord might be the one to pay. Generally, landlords are responsible for mold remediation in rental properties, especially when the mold is a result of structural issues or neglect on their part. Landlords, it seems, can't escape the mold bill. So, to put it all together, mold remediation costs can fall on homeowners, insurance companies, or landlords. It all depends on the circumstances at hand. Want more information about mold remediation? Subscribe to our channel and stay informed.